That was easy. Usually it slams on me. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Sorry, it's going to be a little all over the place because it's just kind of random clips, but I want to show you guys something that I did install on my Veloster Turbo. It's these struts, the shock struts that hold the hatch together, and I think this is really helpful for any car that has a wing on it or anything that's heavy on top of the wing that's weighing it down, because as you can tell, I do have a wing on it and it's pretty heavy on the stock wing. So when I lift it up, it used to slam on me, so I'd have to hold it up all the time because the stock struts on the hatch, these things, they were too weak for the heavy wing. So I did install Aftermarket struts, and they were off of Amazon, so they're pretty good. They weren't that expensive. So here, let me show you. All right, so these are the struts that I installed right here. I don't know if you can see. Let me go to the other side, right over here. So yeah, these are called the boxy struts. There are other brands, but I just got this one because I saw it in a video. And you literally, it looks exactly like the Hyundai stock strut. You literally just get a flathead and push it through this little clip and then just pop it out, and you do it to that side too, and it literally comes off. I would recommend having two people hold the hatch so that it doesn't fall, because this part, the strut, will be off. So yeah, it's the simplest thing. And to put it back on, you also use a flathead to pop this little clip out and then pop it back in. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Look at that. Before, I did not have to let it go. I had to keep holding it. So this is way easier, way better to just open your hatch. Even when you it's even better for like car shows if you do have an air suspension kit in your trunk. So if you do have a big wing and it won't hold up, yeah, I definitely recommend getting the aftermarket ones that are a little stronger so that your hatch will stay up. Because I know it's so annoying to have it not stay up and you have to hold it every time you go and get something out of your trunk. So yeah, it's just way easier. But yeah, you can find those struts honestly anywhere. I got them from Amazon. There's a couple different choices and they're not even that expensive. So yeah, that should be fine. But yeah, like I said, this video is kind of gonna be all over the place, just because I don't know, I'm still waiting for some stuff to come in. I'm still waiting for the wheels to come in, and I did order something else that will come in pretty soon. That'll be cool. But yeah, just wait. Sorry, my car is a little dirty right now, as you can see. That's really bad. But yeah, that's an update on the car. Might be taking a couple pictures right now. See how easy that was? Yeah, guys, I might just end that video there. It's just, I just wanted to go over how small car mods like that make a big difference, trust me. Also, guys, please click that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. We're only growing, and guys, I'm so excited for all the new things that are coming in. We are gonna install them on the next videos, and maybe in like a couple other videos. Alright guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm Excessive 2. Hit that subscribe button, and for the end of this video we are going to rev it.